Kuluhlelo lwenkantolo loluchubeke ngetebuchwepheshe esikhashaneni lesincane Jaji Bhekisisa ukhiphe isinqumo sakhe athi kavakala izathu ngalesinqumo sakhe sekugcina.
The order is as follows. The following order shall issue. The application is dismissed with such costs to include those occasioned by the employment of senior counsel. I hand down the judgment.
Advocate Dalimbofu lomele mengameli waphambilini Jacob Zuma nakenda tetfulo utsite inkantolo lephakeme inalo legunya lekuhociswa kuboshwa kwaZuma. Bamele Helen Suzman Foundation likhomishana liphenya kubanjwa kwembuso ngabhongwane kanye nalabo labamele sihlalo bale commissioner Raymond Zondo bakucitsile lokhu njengoba batsite lenkantolo ngeke ingenelele tindzabeni tenkantolo yemtsetfosisekelo.
All this court must be interested in. Do I have in front of me an applicant who meets the requirements for the relief that is sought? And that is important, my lord, because remember there are two types of reliefs before your lordship. One is, let's call it a common law interdict, the normal common law interdict. The other one is a suspension order in terms of section 172 of the Constitution. That's the nature of the relief sought before your lordship.
Yes.
I don't think there's anyone who can argue that your lordship does not have jurisdiction to issue a suspension order in terms of section 172 of the Constitution. If there is such a person, then they will be hugely mistaken.
If one looks at the text of section 173 of the Constitution, the text is inherent power is the heading. The wording is the Constitutional Court, Supreme Court of Appeal, and High Courts have the inherent power to protect and regulate their own process and to develop the common law, taking into account the interests of justice. Your Lordship pointed to this own process. So you do have inherent power, but inherent power over your own process, not over the process of the Constitutional Court.
Abuka tonke tinhlangothi Jaji Mnguni uvune advocate Quka Itopi kanye na Max Du Plessis. Kusinqumo sakhe lesibhaliwe Jaji Mnguni uvala ngekuthi uma lenkantolo engamelana naZuma kungathikamedeka kulandzelana ngetigaba kwetinkantolo lekungendeka ukuthi kuthathe isikhathi kuphothula kwetindzaba tenkantolo. Ucube kwangeta ukuthi lesicelo lesentiwe bameli baZuma sifuna kufaka inkantolo endzaweni lengeke ikhone kuyo njengoba kuyobe sekuba nekuthatha luhlangothi tsite njengoba lona beyakumengameli uyokuchubeka nekuhlala ejele lempela sondvo emsombuluko lotako inkantolo yemtsetfosisekelo itolela sicelo sakhe mayelana nesigwebo lane kwesona setinyanga letilishumi nesihlanu ukuthi silahlwe ngelifasitelo.